Hello dear students, good evening. So guys, are we live now? Can you able to see me? Can you able to hear me? So good evening guys, welcome all. Welcome to 3000 practice problems. So guys, before going to start, so let me tell you about race competitive scholar test exam guys. So this is a Unacademy race IIT-JEE scholarship exam. This is for class 10th and class 11th students को लिए. Okay, so this is a class 10th schedule. This is the syllabus for class 10th students. So you can enroll this for upcoming exam guys. That is tomorrow afternoon 12 to 3 p.m. So this is the syllabus, and you'll get rewards. Rank 1 to rank 5 1 year IIT-JEE subscription free. For class 11th, for class 10th rewards are 2 years IIT-JEE subscription fee for top 5 people. And if you are in top 50, you can win Amazon vouchers also. If you are in class 10th, this is the syllabus. And if you are in class 11th, rewards are 1 to 5 1 year IIT-JEE plus subscription free. And if you are in top 150, you can win the Amazon vouchers. Hello Lakshman, how are you? So for class 11th, syllabus is complete 11th syllabus guys, and exam schedule is going to be tomorrow, that is 19th December 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. 3 hours exam. Okay, so everyone enroll this and win exciting scholarships guys. Okay, right, so you can use my referral code. You know my referral code, right? Hello Shail Patel. Right, and one more we have is Unacademy combat test guys. So every alternate Sunday we'll have Unacademy combat test. So it is India's largest fortnightly competition for IIT-JEE and most gamified contest ever made. So you can perform with all over India. You can compete with your fellow contestant guys, and challenging questions are created by top educators, and you can compete with the best students, and you can check your score, accuracy, rank, your performance, and all. You can check it real time, and you'll get video solutions. So everything you can check it, whether your performance is improving or decreasing. You can check it in your leaderboard results. You can check it, and you can win Amazon vouchers also. For 1 to 3 ranks, you can win 1 month subscription or Amazon voucher. So if you are under 50 rank, you can win Amazon vouchers. Okay, and this is the schedule guys. For class 11th 12th repeaters, we have a different schedule. I mean, timing is same, 11 to 11:45. That is coming Sunday, day after tomorrow, 11 to 11:45. It is just a 45 minutes test. 21 questions will be there, and every alternate Sunday, coming Sunday, we'll have this test. So this is the syllabus guys. This is the syllabus for this is for 11th, and this is for 12th. If you want, you can pause the video and you can watch it, or you can take the screenshot. This is for repeaters guys. This is the syllabus for repeaters. 11th, and this is for 12th, and this is for 13th, that is repeaters. Okay, you can enroll now by using the referral code. You can use this referral code Praneet 10 and you can enroll it. Okay, right, chalo, let's start guys. So guys, in the previous class we started mathematical reasoning, and we discussed mathematical reasoning questions by using truth table, by using verification method. By using verification method, how we solve the answers easily. And we have completed 2020 questions. In the previous session we completed 2020 questions, and in this sessions we complete 2019 questions, 2019 previous year questions. By using this truth table, let's see how we get the answer easily. So what we need to do is, we just need to take a substitution. Just take a substitution. First substitution I am taking is P is equals to true and Q is equals to false. Let's take this substitution. And let's calculate left hand side guys. What is left hand side? Left hand side is given question. So given expression is a negation of P implies, in place of P we need to substitute true. Implies negation of Q is true, but true implies true. True implies true is true, guys. So we can say that this is equals to negation of true, which is equals to false. So answer should be false. But in the given options, if you verify it, first option is giving true and false. True and false is false, guys. See, true and false is false. So this is false. And what about third option? Third option is true or false. True or false is giving true. So this is true. So can I say that third option got eliminated? Can I say that third option got eliminated? Because left hand side it is giving false, but right hand side, that is third option, is giving true for the same substitution. So third option got eliminated. Next, second option is what, guys? False implies negation of P. Negation of P is what? False. False implies false is what, guys? False implies false is true. So we can say that it is true. So can I eliminate second option also? As we need to get false, but here we're getting true. We need to get false, but here we're getting true. So yes, second option got eliminated. Now fourth option. Let's do the fourth option, guys. Negation of P. P is equals to true. Negation of P is what? False. False implies Q. Q is what? False. False implies false. Already we discussed. True. So fourth option also got eliminated, guys. With the simple substitution, we are eliminating three options. So the only option remaining is first option. That's it. First option is the answer. Is it clear? How we are eliminating the option? We are taking a substitution P true, Q false we are taking, and we are substituting here. Left hand side, the Boolean expression, given expression, we are getting false. But mean in the options, if you substitute same P true and Q false, we should get false. But only one option is giving false. Remaining all the options got eliminated. So that's it. First option is the answer. Okay, if you can remember this truth table, we will get the answer very easily. Within 1 minute, 2 minutes, we'll get the answer. Okay, chalo, let's do the next question. Yeah, first option is the answer. Guys, next question is, if the truth value of the statement is false, this whole thing is false. But tell me, P implies something when it is false, guys. This has to be false means only one possibility. This has to be true and this whole thing has to be false. That is the only possibility we have. Okay, this whole thing, implication has to be false means it has to be true implies false. True implies false will become false. That is the only case where it is becoming false. Right, and then what he is giving is the truth value of the statement PQR. So already P value we got it, guys. P value should be true. So P value should be true. So fourth option is not satisfying. We can eliminate it. So finally what we are getting is P is equals to true we are getting. And a negation of Q, R, we are getting like false. This has to be false. This condition has to satisfy. Let's see which option it is satisfying it. So if you verify first option what he is saying is this is PQR. So Q is given as true, R is given as false. If you substitute these two here, let's see. Negation of Q is what, guys? False. False R. False is equals to false. Yes, first option is satisfying it. Clearly, first option is satisfying, guys. Is it clear? If I substitute true, false, that means P is equals to true, Q is equals to true, and R is equals to false. If you substitute these values in this, it should give false. Yes, it is giving false. So we can say that first option is the answer. Clear? Okay, perfect. Chalo, let's move to the next one. Next one, negation of the Boolean expression. Negation of this whole thing. Let's calculate negation of yes, R. Negation of R and yes. So we need to calculate this statement. In the following statements, which of the following statements is equivalent to the negation of the given expression? So we calculated negation of given expression. So what we can do is, let's take the substitution. First substitution I want to take yes is equals to true and R is equals to false. Let's take this substitution. Let's see what will happen. Hello Sanidhya Sharma. Hello Prasad, Subrat Kumar, Shell Patel, Gupta. Hello guys. So if I take this substitution and when we substitute it in the left hand side, this is the left hand side. So let's substitute in the left hand side. If you substitute it in the left hand side, negation of S is what, guys? Negation of S is false, or negation of R is true. True and S is what? S is true. Let's simplify this. If you simplify this, what we get it? Negation of false or true and true is true, guys. So false or true is true. Negation of true is false. So that's what we're getting it. Finally, we are getting false. But when you try to substitute the same yes true and R false in the options, let's see what we get false and what we get true. So this is we're getting true and false is giving false. True or false is giving true. So third option is eliminated because we need false. Next, fourth option is what we're getting it. Fourth option, false, we are getting it. Okay, maybe this is the answer. And negation of yes. Negation of S is false and true. False and true is false only. Yes. So the answer can be first, second, fourth. Now take some other substitution. So first substitution, we could able to eliminate only one option. Now let's take another option, another substitution. If I take second substitution, I am taking yes is equals to true, or maybe you can take it something like already true false we have taken. Let's take true we can take or can we take false false? Okay, let's take false false, guys. Let's take false. If you take R is equals to false and S is equals to false. And when we substitute in the left hand side, let's calculate left hand side, guys. If you calculate left hand side, this is true and false. True and false is false. And the negation of S, true. True or false is true. Negation of true. False we are getting it. LHS false we are getting it. But when we calculate this, how much we get it, guys? Yes, this we are getting false. This we are getting false. Okay, next, what about R? R is also false. And what about B, guys? B is equals to true and true. True and true is true. Second option eliminated. Correct? How we eliminated second option? Because we need to get false, but we're getting true in second option. So second option is eliminated. Now let's take third substitution. Let's take the third substitution, guys. Third substitution we can take. See, we need to eliminate between A and D. Between A and D, if I want to eliminate, can I take yes is equals to false and R is equals to true? Let's take this. If you take this, left hand side, how much we getting, guys? Left hand side, how much we getting it? Let's check it. So if you substitute yes false and R true, what we get it? Yes false and R true. So this is becoming false. And negation of S, true. True or false? True or false is what, guys? True. Negation of true. False we are getting it. So we should get false. Let's see where we are getting false. Option D is giving true because R is equals to true. So can I eliminate fourth option? Clear? So three options got eliminated. So answer should be first option. Yes, first option is the answer. Okay. Which method is better to get the answer easily? Substitution or set method? So guys, if you take substitution, Lakshman, if you take substitution, you'll get the answer very easily. Sometimes you'll get it in seconds also. Maybe sometimes it will become lengthy, just like previous question. But sometimes you'll get the answer very easily, guys. Sometimes you'll get the answer in seconds. 20 seconds, 30 seconds, you'll get it. What, Kumar? What you're asking? A class? Okay, this class is for Monday, Wednesday, Friday, guys. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay. Right. Chalo, let's move to the next one. Which one of the following Boolean expression is a tautology? Tautology means what? Tautology means the Boolean expression which gives always true. So in the following option, which gives always true. That's what he's asking. So let's take one substitution. Let's take P false, Q false, we'll take it. So let me take this substitution, guys. P false I am taking it and Q false I am taking it. So tell me what I get it. If I take this substitution, first option I am calculating. First option is giving false or false. False or false is false. R. Next, false or true. False or true is giving true. So finally we are getting true. Okay, right. So it is satisfying. First option is satisfying. We couldn't eliminate it. Next, second option. Let's calculate second option. False and false. False and false is false. R. Here how much we getting is? False and true. False and true is false only. So can I say that false or false is false? Yes, this is false. So second option eliminated or not? He is asking tautology, but we got false for the second option. For the given substitution, for the taken substitution P false and Q false, we are getting second option as false. So second option false means it cannot be tautology. Tautology means always true. Okay, next. Fourth option. Fourth option is false or false. False or false is false, and false and anything is false only, guys. So fourth option also got eliminated. Guys, is it clear how fourth option got eliminated? Simple. Next, third option, guys. Third option is false or false. False or false is what? False. False and anything is false. So can I say that third option also got eliminated? See here. With the simple substitution false and false, we are getting the answer in 30 seconds, guys. Hardly 1 minute. So isn't it easy or not? Isn't it easy or not, guys? So only option with satisfying is first option. That's it. First option is the answer. Clear? Everyone understood? Terminator. Clear now? Any doubts in this? We are taking P is equals to false and Q is equals to false, and we are substituting it in the options except first option. Remaining all options are giving false. What does that mean? So second, third, fourth option cannot be tautology. Only first option is becoming tautology. Clear now? Right. Next question. Right. So again, similar model, guys. We have done this question in second question. This model we have done it. P implies Q or R is false. When it is false, guys, implication will be false. Only for true implies false. That means this has to be true and this has to be false. So that means P has to be true and Q or R should be false. What does that mean, guys? This has to be false means Q has to be false and R has to be false. That means P should be true, P should be true, Q should be false, R should be false. That's what he is asking. PQR is what? True, false, false, guys. True, false, false. Second option is the answer. Otherwise, you can verify the option. If you substitute P true, Q false, R false, the given statement is giving false or not. Like that, you can verify the options or you can analyze it this way. So second option is the answer. See here, implication will be false only when first statement is true, second statement false. So this has to be true and this has to be false. And this has to be false means compulsory Q has to be false and R has to be false. Clear? So guys, is it clear? Chalo, let's do the next question. So answer is second option and this is the next question. Sixth question. So guys, start doing this question. We need to calculate negation of this expression. So required quantity is negation of PR, negation of P and Q. We need to calculate this. So which method is better? Substitution method is better. So let's take one simple substitution. Let me take the substitution P true and Q false. Let's take this substitution, guys. If I take this substitution, let's see what I get it. Or you can take both false also, you can take it. So let me take both false, guys. Both false will take it. Why? Because if I take both false, at least two options can be eliminated. So let's take P is equals to false and Q is equals to false. Now let's calculate left hand side. What is left hand side? That means given expression. This expression. Negation of false R. So let's calculate this part. This part is what? This part is negation of P. True. True and false. True and false is false. So finally what we're getting is false or false. False or false is false, which is a negation of false, which is equals to true. Okay. Left hand side it is giving true. So right hand side, that means in the options also it should give true. Let's check it. So this is giving false. Why? Because false and false is false. And first option is giving true. So third option got eliminated because we need true, but we are getting false. And what about this? This is also true, we are getting it. And what about this? This is also true, we are getting it. Okay, answer should be either A, B, D. Now let's take one more substitution. One more substitution, second substitution. Second substitution, let's take P is equals to false, P is equals to true, and Q is equals to true. Let's take this substitution. In this case, left hand side, how much we getting, guys? Let's substitute true, true here. This is false, false and true. False and true is false. Next, true or false. True or false is true. Negation of true. Negation of true is becoming false. So finally we're getting false. Left hand side we're getting false. Now let's calculate the first option. First option is what? False and false. False and false is giving false. Hello Riyaz. How are you? Right. Okay, first option is satisfying. What about second option, guys? Second option is false or false. False or false is giving false. Okay. What about fourth option? Fourth option is true double implies true. Guys, true double implies true is true, guys. This is true. So can I say that option D got eliminated because we need false, but it is giving true? Can I eliminate fourth option? Now let's take one more substitution. Let's take one more substitution. Next, third substitution. Yes, tell me. So we need to eliminate between A and B, guys. As we need to eliminate between A and B, so we'll take P is equals to true and Q is equals to false. If I take this substitution, left hand side, how much we getting it? Left hand side, if you substitute 1 true, 1 false. So this is false and false, false. And true or false is true, negation of true, false. Okay, we're getting false. Let's see which option is giving false. First option is true and false. Yes, we're getting false. Next, second option is false or true. False or true is true, guys. So, but second option is eliminated because we need false and it is giving true. So we eliminated 3 options and we got first option. So first option is the answer. Understood? We are just taking a substitution and eliminating 3 options, as our aim is to eliminate 3 options. Next question. Which one of the following statement is not a tautology? Not a tautology means what? If you get any substitution, for any substitution, if it gives false, then we can say that it is not a tautology. Tautology means always true, guys. Tautology means always true. So suppose if you get false for any particular substitution, we can say that it is not a tautology. Okay, so let me take one simple substitution. First substitution, I want to take P true and Q true. I will take this, guys. Let's see what will happen if I take P true and Q true. 3D geometry you want, Tapan? Okay, sure, guys. As we about to complete algebra, most of the chapters in algebra we completed. So next we can start either geometry or calculus. Okay, right. So if I take P true, Q true, let's take the first option. First option is true implies negation of P is false. False or true is true. So true implies true is true. Okay. First option is not getting eliminated. Next, second option, guys. Second option is what? This is also true implies true. True implies true is equals to true. Next, fourth option. Fourth option is true implies, next. True or negation of true. Negation of true is false. True or false is true. Yes, all options are giving true. We couldn't eliminate any of the option. Even fourth option also it is giving true. We couldn't eliminate any of the options, guys. Next, let's take one more substitution. As first substitution, we couldn't eliminate any of the options. Now let's take one more substitution. So one more substitution we can take is, let's take P false, we'll take it. P is equals to false, we'll take it. And Q is equals to true, we'll take it. Practice, Lakshman. To improve speed, we just need practice. Slowly, you need to improve your speed. At a time, speed can't be increased, guys. Slowly, we need to improve your calculation speed. So try to get the answer as quickly as possible. Okay. What is it, Tapan? See, this is and, this is or, this is implies, this is double implies. This is complement, negation. Okay, right. So when we verify this, P false and Q true, let's see what we get it, guys. Let me verify the fourth one. Fourth one, if I verify it, PRQ is true, it is giving, implies false or false is giving false, true implies false is false, guys. See here in the truth table you can see it. True implies false should be false. So fourth option is giving false, that means it cannot be a tautology. Why? Because if it is giving false, it cannot be tautology. Tautology means always true, we should get it. But fourth option is giving false. For this substitution, P false and Q true. Can I say that option D is the answer? Yes, option D is the answer. Next one, seventh question. Contrapositive of the statement. So guys, what is contrapositive? Contrapositive of if P then Q. If P then Q is if negation of Q then negation of P. So guys, clear? Right. So if we use this, simple guys, here let's find out what is P. You are born in India, this is P, guys. You are born in India, this is P. Then you are a citizen of India, this is Q, guys. This is Q. We need to interchange these two and apply negation. So that means, let me write it like this. If you are negation of Q, guys, negation of Q we need to calculate. Negation of Q is if you are not a citizen of India, then the negation of P. Negation of P is what? You are not born in India. That's it, guys. Born in India. So tell me, where we getting this? If you are not a citizen of India, then you are not born in India. So first option, right? Isn't it first option, guys? So guys, is it clear? What is a law of excluded middle? What is it, Tapan? Right, chalo guys, first option is the answer. Next question, the expression is logically equivalent to. Simple, here also we can take a substitution and make it eliminate the options, okay? Right, let's take a substitution here. So first substitution I want to take P is equals to false, I'll take it, and Q is equals to true, I'll take it. Let's see what I'll get it. If I take substitution of this left hand side, let's see what I'll get it. Left hand side I will get it as negation of P, which is a true, implies true. True implies true is true, guys. See here, true implies true is true. True implies true is true, and negation of true is what? False. We should get false. Let's see where we're getting false. Yeah, definitely JEE Prep. So we'll continue this series till advanced, okay? Definitely. So you come and join every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It will be help you a lot. So tell me, guys, we are getting false in the options. Let's see where we're getting false. Okay, here we're getting false. What about here? Here we are getting true. So third option got eliminated. Next, here also we're getting false. Here we're getting false. Okay. Second option also can be the answer. What about fourth option, guys? Fourth option also giving false. Okay. Only one option we could able to eliminate it. Only one option we could able to eliminate. Now what we can do is we can take one more substitution. Let's take second substitution. Second substitution, I will take P true and Q true, I'll take it, guys. P true and Q true. So tell me, what is left hand side? Left hand side, how much we getting it? Left hand side is negation of true. Negation of true is false. False implies anything is true. Negation of true, false, we're getting it. Let's verify which option is giving false. Okay, first option is giving false. Next, second option is giving true. Okay, second option got eliminated. Third option also giving false. So answer should be either first option or fourth option. Is there any chapter only for advanced but not mains? No, all chapters are there in advanced, guys. But there are few chapters which will be there in only mains. This is one of that chapter. Mathematical induction, you will find it in only in mains, guys. Mathematical induction, you won't get it in advanced. Same way, set theory and statistics, all these chapters, you will get it in only in mains. You won't get it in advanced. All syllabus of advanced will be in mains, but all syllabus of mains won't be in advanced, like these chapters. Mathematical reasoning and statistics, set theory. Right. Next question, next substitution. Let's take the third substitution, guys. Third substitution. See, we wanted to eliminate first option and fourth option. Out of these, we should eliminate one option. So yeah, we can take it. P is equals to false and Q is equals to false, we can take it. So if I take it, left hand side, how much we getting, guys? Left hand side is becoming like, if you substitute false and false here, negation of false, true. True implies false. True implies false is false. Negation of false, true, we should get it. Let's see where we're getting true, guys. If I take false and false, here we're getting true, yes. And what about here? Here we're getting false. So first option got eliminated, fourth option is the answer. Guys, is it clear? Perfect. Fourth option is the answer. Next question. 10th question. So guys, start doing this question, everyone. Boolean expression is equivalent to, you can take any substitution, whatever substitution you want, you can take it. Maybe you can take P true, Q true, or whatever. Whatever you want, you can take it. So take P true, Q true, guys. First substitution I am taking P true and Q is equals to true. Let's see what will get it. If I take P true and Q true, first let's calculate left hand side, guys. Left hand side, how much we getting it? Let's calculate. So true and true is true only. Or next, true or false is true only. Next, this whole thing and negation of P, that is false and false is false only. So finally, how much we getting, guys? Are we getting true and false? True and false is false. We are getting false, guys. I'm doing 3600 questions previous year. What is it? Okay, right. So now, if you substitute this value in the first option, let's see what we get it. P true, Q true. Okay, this is giving true. Not satisfying. First option is not satisfying, guys. Okay, first option is not satisfying. What about second option? Second option is true or false. True or false is true only, we are getting it. So second option also eliminated. What about third option? Third option is true and false. True and false is false. Okay. Third option is satisfying. What about fourth option, guys? Fourth option is giving false and false, which is giving false. So answer should be either option C or option D. So what we need to do? What we need to do it, guys? We need to take one more substitution. Let's take one more substitution. If I take one more substitution, second substitution, so tell me what substitution we need to take. We need to eliminate one of the options, guys. So can I take P false and Q false? If I take P false, Q false, what we're getting left hand side? Left hand side, how much we're getting it? Left hand side, we're getting like false and false. False and false is false only. False or next. false or true. This is false or true, guys. False or true is true. And negation of P and negation of Q, which is true, guys. So finally we are getting true. Why? Because false or true is true, true and true is true. Okay, we are getting true. Left hand side we are getting true. Let's see where we are getting true. Let me calculate third option here. Third option is false and true. False and true is false. So third option got eliminated. Fourth option, already remaining is fourth option only. That is the answer. But let me calculate again. Negation of P, true. True and true. True, we are getting it. So can I say that fourth option is the answer? 60 days is sufficient to crack in both JEE mains and advanced. Tapan, first you concentrate on mains. Okay. Yes, we have a 60 days, more than 60 days time for first mains. So give your best for the first mains. Prepare these 2 months for coming mains and give your best. Try to get good rank in mains. Then you can prepare for advanced. Why to prepare advanced before without getting good marks in mains, guys? First you need to get good rank in mains. Then you need to worry about advanced. First you need to give your best for mains first exam, and you will have enough time. 6 months time you will have. Why? Because if you crack mains in first attempt like Feb 22nd, definitely advanced will be something around July or maybe August. So you need to give your best for mains. Don't prepare mains and advanced both. You won't get mains rank and advanced rank. So try to be realistic, guys. First you give your best in mains. Why? Because without getting mains rank, you won't get advanced rank. Why? Because compared to mains, advanced will have lot of competition. So give your best for mains. Try to get good rank in mains, and then you'll be safe side, like already you got mains rank, and you can prepare for advanced. That is the best strategy we can have. Right, so the answer is fourth option, guys. So fourth option is the answer. Yeah, next question. This is easy question, guys. Contra positive. He's asking contra positive. Already we discussed what is a contra positive. What is a contra positive? Already we discussed. Contra positive of if P then Q. If P then Q, its contra positive is going to be if negation of Q, then negation of P. That means we need to interchange. So if two numbers are not equal, this is one statement P. And what is Q? Their squares are not equal, this is Q. So we need to interchange these two, and we need to apply negation also. Monday topic. So we'll start calculus, guys. So algebra is completed. All the chapters in algebra we finished in 3000 practice problem series. So next we can start calculus. So we'll start from limits. We'll start. Okay. So first we'll start limits, and then continuity, and then differentiability. Chalo then. So first we need to interchange, and we need to apply negation also. So the required statement I am writing it here. If negation of this we need to write. Their squares are not equal, negation is their squares are equal. If their squares are equal, why? Because negation of their squares are not equal is their squares are equal. If their squares are equal, then negation of this statement, guys. Then two numbers are not equal, negation is equal. Negation means what? Opposite sentence. If their squares are equal, then two numbers are equal. So where we are having this? If the squares of two numbers are equal, then the two numbers are equal. Option B, we're getting it? Yes, we're getting option B, guys. So guys, it is very easy question. Contra positive of a given statement is most easiest question. This is like a theory question. We can get the answer in 10-15 seconds. Okay. So that's why I'm telling you, Mathematical reasoning is the easiest topic out of all chapters in mains. This is the easiest topic, guys. You can get the answer in seconds also. Next question. So answer is option B. Next one. Yeah, this is the next one we have. Q is false, he is giving. So if Q is false, and will be always false, guys. If Q is false, automatically we get false, and will be false. So can I say that this is equals to false? So false implies R has to be true means what? R also has to be false. Okay, we got R is equals to false. And P implies Q. See, Q he gave false. Q is equals to false he gave. So which of the following statements is tautology? We got Q value and we got R value, guys. What about P value? P value we didn't get it, correct? Na? Okay, so Q is false, he is giving it, and this has to be true. Then which of the following statement is tautology? So P value we are not getting it, right? Q value is false. Q value has Q. If Q is false, automatically P and Q is false. Then F implies R has to be true means R has to be false. Okay, let's check it where we are getting it. Where we are getting it, let's check it. So first option we can't conclude anything. So let me check the second option, guys. The second option is like P and R. R value is false only. So we can say that this is false implies PRR. So false implies anything is true only, guys. False implies anything is true only. Let me show you in truth table. False implies anything is true only. So can I say that this is a tautology? Option B is tautology. How to give mock test if I have not revised full syllabus? See, whatever part you finished, you give first mock test in that topics only. Whatever topics you haven't finished, slowly you try to finish it. At least do the previous year questions, Rishabh. You get a clear idea if you finish previous year questions. Okay, right. So option B is the correct answer for this question. Clear? Right. Chalo, next. Go to the next one. Yeah, this is the next question we have. So we need to remember this truth table, guys. If you can remember this truth table, then it is very easy. 4 marks in your pocket. Right, 5 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. So can I say that P is equals to true? Yes. So 7 is a factor of 192. Is it correct? I don't think so. No, guys. 192 is not a 7 is not a factor of 192. Correct. It's a wrong statement. So that means Q is equals to false. Okay, we got Q is equals to false. What about R, guys? LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. Okay. We calculated the truth values of PQR. Now substitute all these values in the following option. Which option is giving true? That's what he's asking. The truth value of the which of the following statement is true. Let's substitute. Last 2 months study. So guys, whatever book you have, you are preparing from last few months, better you follow same book so that you can able to complete each and every topic. If you choose a new book now, it is very difficult to complete the new book now. So what I strongly suggest is, if you are doing any particular book, follow the same book and complete that book thoroughly. Otherwise, you haven't studied any book till now. What I suggest you is take a simple book like, for mains you take a simple book like R.D. Sharma Objective, or you can take Tata McGraw-Hill, or maybe you can take Das Gupta. So like only for mains you take it and try to complete it. Okay, if I substitute these values, let's substitute in the fourth option, guys. If I substitute in the fourth option, okay, 1 second. Let me substitute it in the Second option, let me substitute it in the second option, guys. Second option is true or. True or anything is true only, guys. True or anything is true. Directly we are getting second option. Guys, is it clear how I am getting second option directly? If I substitute these values, true, false, true, P is equals to true, Q is equals to false, R is equals to true. If you substitute true or something, you don't need to calculate that something. Why? Because true or anything is true only, guys. See here, true or anything is true only. That means true or true is true, true or true is true, true or false also true. Correct. So option B is correct. So sometimes luckily we'll get the answers like this. Okay, chalo, let's start the next one. Yeah, this is the next question, guys. So guys, start doing this question. So the logical statement, negation of P or Q or P and R and the negation of Q and R is equivalent to. So better what you can do is you can take a substitution and verify it, guys. PQR substitution, you take it. As we have three simple statement PQR, you can take true, 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 false, false, whatever. Whatever substitution you want, you can take it. So let's take a simple substitution, something like true, true, true or something. Whatever you want, you can take it and verify the options. Let's see the answer. Answer is third option, right? Okay. So let me take this substitution, guys. First option I am taking. I will take P true and Q true and R is equals to true. That means everything is true, true, true. So if I take this substitution, what is left hand side? Left hand side means given question. So tell me, guys, negation of P is false. False or true? False or true is true. Negation of true, false. So this is going to be false. False or true and true is true. So false or true is true. So we're getting true. And negation of Q is false. False and true is false, guys. So finally we are getting false. Okay, we're getting false. Let's see where we're getting false. First option, let's see what we get. First option is true. So we can say that first option got eliminated because the left hand side we got false. Right hand side also we should get false, but first option is giving true. So first option gone. Second option is R is true. True or anything is true only. So second option also got eliminated. Next, fourth option is what, guys? Fourth option is also giving false. And third option is giving how much? Third option is giving false. Right. So answer should be either third option or fourth option. So as we eliminated two options A and B, answer is equals to option C and option D. What we can do it, guys? Yeah, that's what. If you can remember this truth table, then we'll get the answers very easily. I am not using this truth table. For your understanding purpose, I am giving this truth table. This truth table is there in my brain. Why? Because I have used this truth table many times. 10,000 times I have used this truth table and it is there in my brain. So you also need to remember this truth table, guys. If you can remember this truth table easily, you can able to do all these operations and get the answers easily. Okay, you need to remember this truth table. Okay, clear now? Right, chalo guys. Let's start doing this. Okay, let's take substitution. As we eliminated two options, let me take one more substitution, guys. What substitution we can take it? Now tell me. Any substitution you can take it. Already we have taken true, true, true. So let me take some other substitution so that at least one of C and D should get eliminated. So tell me what substitution we can take it. Can I take P true, R true, and Q is equals to false? Can I take it like this? If I take it, third option is becoming true. And what about fourth option, guys? Fourth option is becoming like false. Yes, fourth option is becoming false. So automatically we can able to eliminate one option. Now let's calculate left hand side. Let's calculate left hand side. Left hand side is how much we're getting is negation of P false and Q is false. False or false, false. Negation of false, true. True R. P and R. P is what? True. R is what? True. True and true. True and true is true. True or true. True or true is true. And negation of Q. Negation of Q is a true. And R value. R value also true. Okay. Finally, we are getting true. Left hand side, we are getting true, guys. So now we need to substitute in option C and option D. Why? Because option A and option C already we eliminated. Our aim is to eliminate one option from C and D. When we substitute this P true, Q false, R true, let's verify third option, guys. If you verify third option, true and true is true. And negation of Q is what? Again true. So are we getting true? Yes, we're getting true. What about option D? Let me verify option D. Negation of P is false. False and negation of Q true. And R value is how much, guys? True. So isn't it false and true is false? And true, false and true is what? False only. So are we getting false? But actually we need to get true, guys. Can I eliminate fourth option? Yes, fourth option got eliminated. So the answer is third option. Guys, is it clear? How we are eliminating three options? We substituted, we have taken two substitutions. With these two substitutions, we eliminated three options. The only option remaining is fourth option. That's it. That is the answer. Correct? Perfect. Yes, third option is the answer. Let me do one more question. So this is the next question, guys. 15th question. So Boolean expression negation of P or Q or negation of P and Q is equivalent to. Simple guys. We just need to take a one substitution, as we are doing same method for last 14 question. We have done the same method. We are taking a substitution and make it simple, and we are eliminating the options. Right. So what I'll do is I will take simple substitution. I will take P true, Q true. So let's see what I'll get it. This is the first substitution I can take it. P is equals to true and Q is equals to true. So left hand side, how much I am getting is left hand side. If I calculate PRQ, so PRQ is what, guys? True or Q, true or true, true or true is true. Negation of true is what? False. Okay, false R. Next, negation of P is what? False. False and true. False and true is false only. So false or false, we're getting false, guys. So we are getting false, but the negation of P is false. Okay. Q is what? Q is equals to true. Eliminated, because we need false. Negation, and here P means what? True, we are getting it. So option B also got eliminated, and here we are getting false. Okay. So option A and option D is satisfying. Now what we can take? Now we'll take one more substitution. As already we eliminated option B and option C. Now let's eliminate one more option by taking one more substitution. So let's take this substitution. Second substitution, I will take P true and Q false. Why I'll take P true and Q false is, if I take P true and Q false, option A and option D is becoming different. Option A and option D is getting different. So let's calculate left hand side now. Left hand side, if you take P true and Q false, true or false. True or false is true, guys. Negation of true is what? False. False R. Negation of P is what? Negation of P is false. False and false. False and false is false, guys. So we are getting false. Okay. Now let's see the first option. First option is coming like negation of P. Negation of P is false. Okay, right. What about option D? Negation of Q. Negation of Q is true. But actually we need to get false, but here we're getting true. So can I eliminate fourth option? Guys, can I eliminate fourth option? Yes. we can able to eliminate fourth option. So only option remaining is first option, guys. So that's it. First option is the answer. Is it clear? Everyone understood this? Can we move to the next question? Can we move to the next question? Hello Sumit, how are you? Right, that's it guys. So that's it for today. Okay, so see you in the next class. In the next class, we'll start calculus. So we'll start with limits and continuity, and then we'll go with differentiation, applications of derivatives, integrations, indefinite integrations, definite integrations, and then areas. Okay, right, perfect. So guys, the next class is going to be on Monday. So we have every Monday, Wednesday, Friday night to 10 p.m. we'll have YouTube session. Okay, so this 3000 practice problems. So guys, let me tell you about this scholarship test, guys. If you are in class 10th or class 11th, if you are in class 10th or in class 11th, you can attempt this scholarship test, guys, which is tomorrow. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll have this scholar test. This is free of cost. Everyone can able to attempt this scholarship test. So if you are in class 10th, you can win these vouchers. Either you can, if you are in top 5 rank, you can win 2 years IIT-JEE plus subscription. If you are under 50 rank, you can able to win this Amazon vouchers. And this is the syllabus for class 10th, guys. You can enroll now. Timings is tomorrow 12 to 3 p.m. Saturday 12 to 3 p.m. Afternoon 12 to 3 p.m. And this is the syllabus. And if you are under 5, if you are from class 11th and if you are under 5 rank, you can win 1 year IIT-JEE plus subscription. And if you are under 150 rank, then you can win this Amazon vouchers. And this is the syllabus for class 11th, guys. Complete syllabus for class 11. Full syllabus of 11th. And timing will be tomorrow evening 3 to 6 p.m. Saturday 3 to 6 p.m. guys. 19th December. That is tomorrow. Hello Sumit. Right. So this is the schedule, guys, for class 10th, 12 to 3 p.m. It is just like 25 questions, just like mains exam, 25 questions in 3 hours for 10th and 11th both. Hello Piyush. So guys, if you want to take plus subscription for 1 year, it is around 35,000. But if you can perform well in this exam, you can able to win this 2 year subscription. See here, 1 year, 2 year subscription, you can win it if you are comes under top 5. Still, if you comes under top 150 also, you can win vouchers. Okay, right? Harshit Reddy. Good. So guys, everyone enroll now only. Everyone enroll now only, and you can win these Amazon vouchers or 1 year, 2 years plus subscription. Immediately you can enter my referral code. Everyone know the referral code, right? It's Praneet 10, guys. My referral code is Praneet 10. It's Praneet 10. You can use this referral code to join Plus platform or to apply for tomorrow's test. Okay. Right. Chalo guys. See you on Monday. Okay. So Monday we are going to start calculus. So we'll start with the limits and then we'll go to the differentiation part. Okay. Right. Chalo guys. See you then. Good night everyone. Take care. Bye bye.